Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change which user automatically gets candidates' resumes on Ziprecruiter. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter employer account, which of course I have done right here. Now, I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. It's AI matching finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to change which user automatically gets candidates' resumes on Ziprecruiter. So from your homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the My Account tab. So go ahead and click on the My Account tab. You have extended menu that says Subscriptions, Settings, Help Center, all the way down to Sign Up. So from here, I would like you to click on the Settings option. And once you click on that, you're going to find further options, which include users, hiring companies, career page widget, my labels, company info, and options. So go ahead and click on the options. Click on options. And once you click on options, it's going to take you to the options window. So from here, if you want to change which user automatically gets candidate resumes on Zip, you're going to see here that has this default new candidates alert. For any newly created jobs, we should get new candidates alert by default. So you can select all users on this account or only the user who created a job or a specific list of users. So once you click a specific list of users, you can click on the save button or you can select any of these options. So you have this a specific list of users. So from here, you're going to see all other users. But right here, I don't have any user, just myself. But you're going to see other users. So go ahead and check the box next to any user of your choice. So I'm unchecking this, but go ahead and check the box next to any user of your choice, and that privilege is going to be granted to that person to get the alerts for new candidates. All right, so this is pretty much how you can change which user automatically gets candidate resume on Ziprecruiter. Don't forget, click on a specific list of users. So you're going to find your list of users. So select the check box next to the user that you want to use, and of course, once you select the checkbox, click on the save button. Once you click on the save button, you're going to see that that change that you made will be saved and updated. So you have this banner that says your changes have been saved. Please note, these changes will not affect any existing jobs. So that's pretty much it. You can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.